Hi everyone, this is Sia Daneshmand from USC, and I wanted to share with you some of the clinical trials that we presented that are in progress here at the AUA 2025 at the SUO session. So this was the SUO Clinical Trial Consortium session, and we went through some of the clinical trials that are going through the SUO CTC. So first off, we have the ADVANCE-2 trial. This is from Protera Therapeutics, their investigational drug, which is actually an approved product in Japan for lymphovascular malformations. It's called OK432, and this is an immunopotentiator, and it works very similar to BCG, and so that's going through a trial right now for patients with BCG unresponsive disease. So we look forward to future results from this trial. Next, we have Pivot 006 from CG Oncology. This is in the intermediate risk bladder cancer population. So mostly patients with recurrent low-grade tumors. There seems to be a lot of interest in this fairly large population of patients. This is a phase 3 trial looking at their lead investigational product called cretostimogene grenadenorepvec, and this is an adjuvant therapy, so post-TURBT, and it's a phase 3 comparison between the adjuvant treatment versus observation, and patients who relapse on observation can then receive the cretostimogene as salvage therapy. So next we have ABLE-22, which is from Ferring Pharmaceuticals. This is a phase 2 study with looking at combination therapy with Adstiladrin with or without chemotherapy or immunotherapy. So one arm will be Adstiladrin alone, and importantly, we're going to include reinduction as part of that the trial. Next would be Adstiladrin plus chemotherapy, and that's gemcitabine and docetaxel. And third would be Adstiladrin plus immunotherapy with pembrolizumab. So it's a 2-to-1-to-1 randomization, and we'll see if the combination therapy, the hope is that the combination therapy will provide better efficacy in patients. So we're really looking forward to this. And again, this is in the BCG unresponsive space. Next, we discussed ABLE-41. ABLE-41 is actually a real-world use, a registry, a phase 4 study, if you will. And this is a real-world use of natafaragene firadenovec or Adstiladrin in practice right now. It's been available since November of 23, and so it's been in our armamentarium for use, and we really want to see what the efficacy is. We're getting some early results that are really encouraging and even better than the CS003 study that was a pivotal study that got the drug approved. So I think we'll learn a lot through this real-world study, especially again at reinduction, which was not included in the original CS003 study. So that's accruing fairly well, and it hopes to accrue about 200 to 400 patients, and we hope to have future results from that registry next year. Next is CORE-008, also from CG Oncology. The CORE-008 sort of is addition to the backbone of BOND-003 that had spectacular results presented here at the AUA, looking at cretostimogene in the high-risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer that are unresponsive to BCG. This is a phase 2 multi-cohort phase 2 trial looking at cretostimogene, and it includes patients who are BCG naive, BCG exposed, and BCG unresponsive. So there are multiple cohorts, and most of the patients can fit into one of these cohorts. It's accruing really rapidly and really well. Again, there's a lot of interest, and again, we've seen some excellent early results for the drug. So we look really forward to future results with this trial as well. And last but not least is Legend, and Legend is a phase 2 trial from enGene. and it's looking at the use of it's a phase 1/2 actually study looking at EG70 as a cell therapeutic, again in that BCG unresponsive space. But it includes multi-cohorts as well. And so again, you've got BCG naive, BCG exposed, or people who have not received adequate BCG. And so again, I think a wide study to include a lot of patients, and we're going to see results from that. We do already have early results from the phase 1, and we're going to be seeing phase 2 results fairly soon. So lots of trials in the bladder cancer space, and I think it's a really exciting time both for us as providers and practitioners, and also for the patients we've had really not much to offer them over the past decade or so. And I think very soon we're going to have a lot more options for these patients. Thank you.